You coming back?
I can't even see it.
Yeah,
Oh, I see it now.
Okay. See, I don't know what the range is on this thing with the, This thing's pretty neat, though, this little one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. I'm messing with the sonar under there, so it's thinking the ground's moving.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's nerfed it.
I stepped on the bebopping phone there by
No.
mistake. It's all right. I caught it real quick. Didn't do any damage. That thing really flies nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. The bebop survived the smash with the foot. That's just like having a little crash, which it did have anyway, so. I mean, that's why they give you extra propellers when you buy them, right? I have no idea how long the battery lasts of this thing.
A little bit of drony. What's that blue and white one I saw back there on the couch? Is that a new one?
Yeah, but it's a cheapie. I
Oh.
always think it was like $30-something. It's a cheap one. I lost my orientation there for a second, but I found it. This thing lasts a pretty long time. This
Yeah.
battery just on this thing.
It's scary. That one's not as scary as the bigger one.
I wonder what kind of height this thing would do. Okay, now the controller's shaking.
Well, so what's that mean? The battery's
That means the battery's getting ready to die. Yeah, it's getting the red lights coming on the controller. That thing went for a pretty good amount of time.
Yeah, probably like about, what, 10 minutes?
I don't know. Seemed like a pretty good amount of time.